Yo, what's up everyone? It's Abdullah Jafari back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI with ChatGPT. Now, if you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, it's basically this super advanced language model that can hold conversations like a real person, and I'm not even exaggerating. Welcome to our deep dive into ChatGPT, the advanced language model developed by OpenAI. This thing has been making waves in the tech world, and for good reason. It can do everything from writing poems to coding websites, and it's only getting smarter. Today we'll explore its development, training, capabilities, applications, limitations, ethical considerations, and how you can access it. We're going to break down how it works, what it can do, and why it's such a big deal. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, let's talk about how ChatGPT came to be. Now, this isn't some random code thrown together overnight. ChatGPT is built on something called the GPT architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's like the foundation of ChatGPT's brain. And just like our brains have evolved, ChatGPT has gone through some serious upgrades. We've seen versions like GPT-3, and now we're even seeing more advanced iterations like GPT-4, each one getting better and smarter than the last. Think of it like going from a flip phone to the latest smartphone. It's the same basic idea, but way more powerful and capable. So we've got this powerful GPT architecture, but it's not like ChatGPT just magically knows things, right? This is where the training comes in. Imagine feeding a supercomputer a massive buffet of information. That's basically what's happening here. We're talking about feeding it a massive amount of internet text, like articles, books, code, you name it. And I mean massive, like we're talking about data sets so large that it would make your head spin. This requires some serious computational power and resources. It's like training for a marathon, but instead of a human body, we're training an AI. And instead of miles, we're talking about terabytes of data. After all that development and training, what can ChatGPT actually do? Well, let me tell you, this thing is like a Swiss Army knife of AI capabilities. You can ask it questions, and I'm not just talking about simple stuff, we're talking about complex questions that require it to understand context and pull from its vast knowledge base. And get this, it can provide explanations, generate creative content like stories and poems, and even help you with coding. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help you with almost anything. Need to write a song? ChatGPT can help. Need to debug some code? ChatGPT's got your back. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but how is ChatGPT actually being used in the real world? Well, hold on to your hats, because this is where things get really interesting. We're seeing ChatGPT pop up in all sorts of industries. Businesses are using it for customer support, providing quick and efficient answers to common questions. In education, ChatGPT is being used as a learning tool, helping students grasp complex concepts. And of course, in the world of content creation, ChatGPT is a game changer, helping writers, marketers, and even musicians generate new ideas and content. From automating tasks to enhancing creativity, ChatGPT's applications are seemingly endless. Okay, so ChatGPT sounds pretty amazing, right? And don't get me wrong, it is incredibly impressive, but it's important to remember that it's not perfect. One of the biggest limitations is that it can sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical answers. It's like that friend who's full of random facts but gets some of them mixed up. Another limitation is that ChatGPT's knowledge is limited to the data it was trained on. So if you're asking it about something that happened after its last update, it's not going to have a clue. It's like trying to get the latest news from a newspaper printed a year ago. Now, with any technology as powerful as ChatGPT, we have to talk about the ethical implications. I mean, when you have an AI that can generate human quality text, it raises some serious questions. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for misinformation. Imagine someone using ChatGPT to create fake news articles or spread propaganda. That's a scary thought. And then there's the issue of bias. Since ChatGPT is trained on massive data sets of text, it can inadvertently learn and perpetuate existing biases in that data. OpenAI is aware of these concerns and has implemented safeguards to mitigate these risks, but it's an ongoing challenge. All right, so by now you're probably wondering how you can get your hands on ChatGPT. Well, the good news is that OpenAI has made it pretty accessible. You can check it out on their website, where they have different subscription plans depending on your needs. And for all you developers out there, OpenAI also offers APIs, which are basically like tools that allow you to integrate ChatGPT into your own applications and projects. Plus, we're seeing more and more third-party apps incorporating ChatGPT, making it even easier to use in your everyday life. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT. From its impressive capabilities to its limitations and ethical considerations, it's clear that this technology is a game changer. For more detailed information, visit OpenAI's official website or consult their documentation. Whether you're a writer, a developer, or just someone who's curious about the future of AI, ChatGPT is definitely something you should keep your eye on. It's a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.